Kajingelang Kanhun Menteri ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 hakan no pais ngi jong khat art regu nai lur arjar plai kala shemya karai ban Pynduh no yaki art li project pen mi boarding kata ka Kynshi bat ka apa Khri Hydel project. Yakani la pentip daw menteri rang ba ka Jylla Konrad ki sangma habakran chikilat pathai kubor hadin Kajingelang. Kumon sukado balaya soy memorandum of understanding banchna ya ka Kynshi Hydel project house nam arjar nyo bat ya ka apa Khri Hydel project pan arjar khat khat lai. Menteri rangba ulaong baka daw bala wengi kini project kadai namar ka jingbam la ban penbiang ya kikam bat menta ka Sorkar kan wat thamai daki way pat ki company.
To terminate two hydropower projects that was signed by the government of Meghalaya many years back. One is the Kynshi 1 hydroelectric project, and number 2 is the Upper Khri stage 1 and stage 2 projects. As you recall, that these two projects were in collaboration and tie-up with some private parties, but because of the financial non-viability of these projects or unviability of these projects, and the rates coming up too high, and also the time taken by the different companies to implement this, the decision was taken by the cabinet that both these projects, the Kynshi 1 project and the Upper Khri stage 1 and 2 projects, will be terminated. But the government will and the departments concerned will immediately move for looking for new partners, or maybe the same partners also in a new format, because as I said, the main reasons was that the project in its current forms were not looking or not viable in terms of the rates. But the new technologies that have come in, where pump storage and other facilities can be used, and also the combination of the water being released from one project and being used as a downstream for another project, like in the case of Upper Khri stage 1, 2, the projects also need to be changed, and hence the government will immediately, the department will immediately work in that aspect, and we hope that very soon we'll be able to have the expression of interest to move forward with these projects in its new form.